What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right
Hello,
in.
everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to dive into the concept of kilometric scale and what it truly corresponds to. We'll explore how this measurement is used in various fields, from geography to engineering, and why it matters in our everyday lives. Whether you're curious about distances on maps or the scale of large projects, I'll break it down for you in a simple and engaging way. So, let's get started and uncover the fascinating world of kilometric scale together. Find the best garage to service your car. See garages. The 2024 mileage scale, a key element in calculating actual expenses for tax purposes, remains unchanged from the previous year. It applies to different categories of vehicle, from cars to scooters, and takes into account administrative power and the number of kilometers driven. This guide will explain how to use it to optimize your tax deductions. Understanding the mileage scale and its usefulness. How a mileage allowance is calculated. What is the impact of freezing the mileage scale in 2024? How are mileage expenses reimbursed? Find the best garage to service your car. See garages. Understanding the mileage scale and its usefulness. The mileage scale is a tax tool used to calculate the expenses incurred by using a vehicle for business travel. Once calculated, these expenses can be deducted from taxable income, provided that the 10% flat rate deduction is waived in the actual expense system is opted for. Its main usefulness lies in its ability to provide a flat rate estimate of the expenses associated with the use of a vehicle, car, motorcycle, scooter, taking into account the distance traveled and the power of the vehicle. It is intended for employees, sole traders, and beneficiaries of benefits who use their own vehicle for business travel. Its application takes into account various expenses, fuel consumption, vehicle wear and maintenance, insurance, etc. The mileage scale is adjusted each year by the tax authorities, although it has not been revalued in 2024. This scale is therefore an invaluable ally when filing your tax return, especially for those who travel many kilometers for their professional activity. How are mileage allowances calculated? The principle for calculating kilometer allowances is based on three key criteria: the distance traveled for business purposes, the vehicle's tax rating, and the type of vehicle used, car, motorcycle, etc. To calculate these allowances, we apply a simple formula: kilometric allowance equals distance traveled in kilometers, * kilometric scale coefficient. The kilometric scale coefficient varies according to the vehicle's tax rating and the type of energy used. For cars, for example, each horsepower corresponds to a specific coefficient. Taxpayers who opt for the deduction of actual expenses can also add additional costs, such as tolls or parking fees, to their tax return. Find the best garage to service your car. See garages. How are mileage expenses reimbursed? How are mileage expenses reimbursed? Find the best garage to service your car. Find the best garage to service your car. See garages. Tips and tricks. Understanding the mileage scale and its usefulness. In conclusion, the kilometric scale serves as a crucial reference point in various fields, from geography to engineering. It allows us to comprehend distances and dimensions on a larger scale, facilitating better planning and understanding of our environment. By grasping what the kilometric scale corresponds to, we can enhance our ability to navigate and interpret the world around us. Thank you for watching, and we hope this exploration has clarified the significance of the kilometric scale in our daily lives.